To download the latest ViewHost application, navigate to PowerSoft's website at www.powersoft.com. Then navigate to Products, Software, and select ArmoníaPlus System Design. Scroll down to the ArmoníaPlus Downloads section and select ViewHost to download the application. After downloading the application, install it to the device that will be the ViewHost computer for the system. This could be any Windows-based device. Connect the ViewHost device to the same system. Make sure all amplifiers, ArmoníaPlus System Design Computer, and the ViewHost device are connected to the same network and have a valid IP address. On the computer with ArmoníaPlus System Design, access the Match tab, press Discovery, and enable synchronization. Wait for the amplifiers to complete the sync process. If required, the user may have to leave the Match tab to gain access to the desynchronization window, should the syncing process not engage. To do this, simply select the Control tab. When synchronization is complete, the amplifier will show green within the Match tab. After assuring all web views and app views are complete, we can now select Run, located under the Controls and Views button. Upon selecting Run, ArmoníaPlus 2.0 will prompt a window to save the project file. Select Save. During the upload process of running Controls and Views, the user may notice ELF+ showing an alarm status. This is a normal operation and will pass once Controls and Views are online. After the system is online and running, the user can directly access the views through a web browser from the IP address shown within the Controls and Views, as shown here. Here you can see we can control the level for the lounge via WebView 1. We also have the capability to change the source for the zone as well as mute. Looking to the right, we have the option to recall a scene, as well as global power. ArmoníaPlus can now be turned off and the computer can be disconnected from the network. The ViewHost computer will be taking over hosting the web views and app views. To control the system, enter the ViewHost IP address on your device's web browser. Now you can control your system via WebView.